Hi guys, it's me Ryan. So today in this video, I'm gonna do something different. Instead of unboxing and gaming, I'm gonna share with you guys of how much I actually make from my YouTube channel with my 1000 subscribers. And as many of you know already, I made a poll a week ago. I gave you guys some options of how much I can make from my YouTube channel with 1300 subscribers per month. And majority of you guys saying I can make under $100, and there's 6% of you saying I can make above 1,000, and I hope that's true. Let's review the reality. And if I go to my analytics, I can see all the data that I have for my channel. And if I go to the tab says revenue, and then you can see how much I actually make from my last 28 days. So it is above $100. Woohoo! And if I scroll down a little bit, you can see my history of payments. In May, which is 11th, I got my channel monetized. That's May 11th. We passed 1,000 subscribers and I have 4,000 public watch hour. So we are eligible for the monetization. So on May 11th to May 31st, we made $134, and in June, the whole month, we made 181, and this month, July, halfway through, we made 89 as of now. And I'll say that it's pretty good. That's average about $5 or $6 a day. That is calculated based on CBM or RBM, which is how much money I can get based on 1,000 video views. So right now my average is $4.42 per every 1,000 view, which is very accurate, because if I see the views of I got for last 48 hours, 2,400 views, so we divided by 2, that's per day, which is 1,200 views, and times the 4.42, that's about $5, and that is really accurate. You see, I made $5.21 from yesterday, the 16th. And if I click the lifetime, you can see I made a total of $400 from the 11th of May till now. And man, this thing is legit. It's really happening. I just received my first payment from Google not a long time ago for the May statement. And I'm officially working with Google. Woohoo! And thank you guys. Without you, I cannot do this. I cannot achieve this. Because at first, when I created this channel, it was back in the 28th of October. And it was just a random topic on my dining table with my sister-in-law. And we were just talking about it. Hey, why would you make a channel? Blah, blah, blah. I was joking around at first, but later on I thought, hey, it might be a good idea to just, upload some videos, see what happens. So I created the channel and I upload my very first video. It was an Alienware Aurora R11 gameplay video. No editing, no audios, plenty videos. And then I got 700 views totally in 8 months. I didn't know it can last that long. I didn't know I could make it that long. I thought I would just give up like a few months or a few weeks, because it is pretty hard. Because you have to sacrifice a lot of things. You normally just play games for fun, but now you play games for like a career. You editing videos. Like I used to play just 2 hours straight for gaming. Now I have to play 30 minutes and spend 1.5 hours to just edit it. And there's a lot of discipline in there. So if you would like to start your channel, make sure to write this down. Discipline is everything, man. And that $164 for last 28 days, it's not everything that I make from my YouTube channel. I also make some monies from the affiliate link from Amazon, which is the associate program something. After you reach a certain amount of subscribers, and you can apply that. Don't do it before you hit 1,000 subscribers, because I didn't know, and then I applied it while I had only 200 some subscribers with my first tech video of how to change the fans and all that. And then I start make money back then, like $5 about $5, $3 a day, and I was so happy of it. But after 2 weeks, they shut down my account without any notice because I didn't have enough fans or subscribers. So they just shut my accounts down. So if you were about to do the affiliate link, make sure you hit that 1000 subscribers mark. Otherwise, they will shut your account down. And let me just show you how much I make from the Amazon affiliate link as well. So totally same thing from the 11th of May to now. I made $468. That's my commission. From my link, I sold about 600 items. The revenue was $17,000 for Amazon, and I got a bit of it, $468. Those money, it's because of you guys. Thank you for click the links in my video, and thank you for purchasing stuff via my links. That really helped me and really support the channel. As you guys can see, all these items I purchased from you guys. So if I look at this way, the last 7 days mark, you can see I made an average about $6 a day, and plus the average of $6 on YouTube. That's $12 a day for making videos. So to put everything together, if you work hard, work smart, you can achieve things. I never thought I could done this. I could make money by making videos. I never think about it, but now everything comes true. I'm making money on this platform. And again, I just want to say thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for all kinds of support that you have done for this channel, and I hope we can achieve the much bigger goal that we set, which is 1 million subscribers. And guys, please leave the comment below of what channels you would like to start if you would like to. And also, how much would you expect to make per 1000 view or per day? And let's talk about it. I don't know, maybe this video will encourage some of you guys to start a channel, and maybe one day you'll become a superstar, super YouTuber, and just hit me back, leave a comments. And so, hey Ryan, you encouraged me to start a channel and now I'm famous or something like that, you know. Don't forget about me, and then we grow together. And guys, thank you for watching. It's been an honor to share with you guys of all kinds of content that I create. Gaming stuff, unboxing stuff, and random stuff. And let's continue our journey. And as always, please be safe out there. And I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.